The price of a shirt is increased by 20% and then decreased by 10%. What is the net percentage change? Your options are A, 8% increase, B, 2% decrease, C, 10% increase, and D, no change. The correct answer is A, 8% increase. Let us assume the original price is 100 rupees. After a 20% increase, the price becomes 120 rupees. After a 10% decrease, it becomes 108 rupees. Therefore, the net increase is 8%.
Question number 2. P invests 25,000 rupees and Q invests 40,000 rupees. After 3 months, P invests an additional 15,000 rupees. If the total profit is 122,000 rupees, what is Q's share? Your options are A, 64,000 rupees, B, 58,000 rupees, C, 60,000 rupees, and D, 68,000 rupees. The correct answer is option A, 64,000 rupees. Here is the explanation. P's total capital months is 25,000 into 3 plus 40,000 into 9, which equals 435,000. Q's total capital months is 40,000 into 12, which equals 480,000. So the profit ratio between P and Q is 435 is to 480, which simplifies to 29 is to 32. Therefore, Q's share is 122,000 into 32 divided by 61, which gives 64,000 rupees.
9, 12, and x are in proportion. If x plus 2, x plus 12, 18, and k are also in proportion, find k. Your options are A, 24, B, 27, C, 20, and D, 36. The correct answer is B, 27. Since 6, 9, 12, and x are in proportion, 6 by 9 equals 12 by x, which gives x equal to 18. Substituting x into the next set, 18 plus 2 gives 20, and 18 plus 12 gives 30. So 20 by 30 equals 18 by k, which gives k equal to 27. Question number 4. Find the sum of roots of the equation 3x to the power 4 minus 6x cubed plus 4x squared minus 7x plus so on equals 0. Your options are A, minus 6, B, minus 3, C, 2, and D, 3. The correct answer is C, 2. For a polynomial equation, the sum of roots is given by the formula minus b divided by a. Here, a is 3 and b is minus 6. Therefore, the sum of roots equals minus of minus 6 divided by 3, which is 6 divided by 3 equal to 2. Question number 5. Simplify 2 squared into 3 squared whole squared divided by 2 into 3 to the power minus 1. Your options are A, 288, B, 2,304, C, 1152, and D, 7,776. The correct answer is D, 7,776. First, 2 squared into 3 squared whole squared equals 36 squared, which is 1,296. Next, 2 into 3 to the power minus 1 equals 1 by 6. Therefore, 1,296 divided by 1 by 6 gives 7,776. Question number 6. Rajat travels from point A to B at 28 kilometers per hour and returns at 44 kilometers per hour. Find his average speed. Your options are A, 34.76 kilometers per hour, B, 34.22 kilometers per hour, C,
34.92 kilometers per hour, and D, 34.06 kilometers per hour. The correct answer is option B, 34.22 kilometers per hour. When the distance covered in both journeys is equal, the average speed formula is 2AB divided by A plus B. Substituting 28 and 44 into the formula gives 2 multiplied by 28 multiplied by 44 divided by 28 plus 44, which equals 34.22 kilometers per hour.
Question number 7. If 8 pencils cost 24 rupees, find the cost of 14 pencils. Your options are A, 42 rupees, B, 39 rupees, C, 48 rupees, and D, 45 rupees. The correct answer is option A, 42 rupees. Here is the explanation. The cost of 1 pencil is 24 divided by 8, which equals 3 rupees. Therefore, the cost of 14 pencils is 14 multiplied by 3, which equals 42 rupees. Question number 8. A 36-degree sector has an area of 32.4 pi square centimeters. Find the diameter. Your options are A, 36, B, 28, C, 18, and D, 42. The correct answer is option A, 36. The formula for the area of a sector is theta divided by 360 into pi r squared. Substituting the values, 36 by 360 into pi r squared equals 32.4 pi. Canceling pi from both sides, 1 by 10 into r squared equals 32.4, which gives r squared equal to 324. Therefore, the radius r is equal to 18 centimeters. Since diameter is twice the radius, 2 into 18 gives 36 centimeters.
Question number 9. A salary of 14,500 rupees is increased by 10%, decreased by 20%, and then increased by 34%. Find the final salary. Your options are A, $17,068.40, B, $17,088.40, C, $17,078.40, and D, $17,098.40. The correct answer is D, $17,098.40. Explanation. To find the final salary, multiply the initial amount by the successive percentage multipliers. 14,400 multiplied by 1.10, then by 0.80, and finally by 1.34, which equals $17,098.40.
Question number 10. Find additional money gained by changing the investment strategy. Your options are A, 115.20 rupees, B, 113.20 rupees, C, 112.20 rupees, and D, 125.20 rupees. The correct answer is A, 115.20 rupees. Original maturity is 27,180 rupees, and the new maturity is 27,216 rupees. The difference between them is 115.20 rupees.
Question number 11. Determine the type of triangle formed by A, 1, 3, B, 4, 7, C, 6, 9. Your options are A, equilateral, B, right, C, scalene, and D, isosceles. The correct answer is C, scalene. Here, AB squared is equal to 25, BC squared is equal to 8, and AC squared is equal to 45. Since all sides are different, it is scalene. Question number 12. Two cabs travel at 54 kilometers per hour, 34 minutes apart. A man traveling in the opposite direction meets them 30 minutes apart. Find the man's speed. Your options are A, 6.6, B, 17.1, C, 5.4, and D, 7.2. The correct answer is option D, 7.2. Here is the quick explanation. First, the initial distance between the two cabs is 54 multiplied by 34 divided by 60, which equals 30.6 kilometers. Next, the closing speed between the man and the second cab is distance divided by time. That is 30.6 kilometers divided by 0.5 hours, which gives 61.2 kilometers per hour. Since they are moving in opposite directions, the closing speed is the sum of both speeds. Therefore, the man's speed is 61.2 minus 54, which equals 7.2 kilometers per hour.
Question number 13. Pipes A, B, and C can fill a tank in 5, 30, and 60 hours respectively. What is the time taken to fill half of the tank when all three pipes work together? Your options are A, 3, B, 2, C, 5, and D, 4. The correct answer is B, 2. The combined rate of all three pipes working together is 1/5 plus 1/30 plus 1/60, which equals 1/4 of the tank per hour. Therefore, to fill half of the tank, the time taken is 1/2 divided by 1/4, which equals 2 hours. Question number 14. The volume of a cube is 27,000 cubic meters. Find its lateral surface area. Your options are A, 5,400, B, 3,590, C, 3,605, and D, 3,600. The correct answer is option D, 3,600. Here is the explanation. The side of the cube is equal to the cube root of 27,000, which gives 30 meters. The lateral surface area of a cube is 4 times side squared. Therefore, 4 multiplied by 30 squared equals 4 times 900, which gives 3,600 square meters.
Question number 15. 40 shares at 20 rupees and 60 shares at 40 rupees. What is the average price? Your options are A, 32 rupees, B, 30 rupees, C, 40 rupees, and D, 34 rupees. The correct answer is option A, 32 rupees. Total value is 800 plus 2,400, which equals 3,200 rupees. Total shares are 100. Therefore, the average price is 3,200 divided by 100, which gives 32 rupees.
Question number 16. The selling price of an item is 850 rupees at a 15% loss. Find the cost price. Your options are A, 1,200 rupees, B, 1,000 rupees, C, 2,000 rupees, and D, 1,500 rupees. The correct answer is B, 1,000 rupees. Since there is a 15% loss, 850 rupees equals 85% of the cost price. Dividing 850 by 0.85
Question number 16.
gives a cost price of 1,000
The selling
rupees.
price of an item is 850 rupees at a 15% loss. Find the cost price. Your options are A, 1,200 rupees, B, 1,000 rupees, C, 2,000 rupees, and D, 1,500 rupees. The correct answer is B, 1,000 rupees. Since there is a 15% loss, 850 rupees equals 85% of the cost price. Dividing 850 by 0.85 gives a cost price of 1,000 rupees.
Question number 17. Simplify and express as a fraction.
Your options are A, 3/4, B, 4/5, C, 3/5, and D, 2/5. The correct answer is B, 4/5. Numerator equals 1.25 into 4 over 5 plus 0.6, which is 1.6. Denominator equals 2.5 minus 0.3 plus 0.2 in brackets, which is 2. Therefore, 1.6 divided by 2 gives 4 over 5.
Question number 18. Marked price is 50% above cost price. What discount gives a 5% gain? Your options are A. 29%, B. 30%, C. 31%, and D. 33%. The correct answer is B. 30%. Let the cost price be 100. The marked price becomes 150. To achieve a 5% gain, the required selling price is 105. The discount equals 150 minus 105 divided by 150 multiplied by 100, which gives 30%. Question number 19. Pipes A and B together can fill a tank in 24 minutes, while pipe A alone can fill it in 40 minutes. In how many minutes can pipe B alone fill the tank? Your options are A. 60, B. 56, C. 54, and D. 50. The correct answer is A. 60. To find B's work rate, subtract A's rate from their combined rate. So 1 by 24 minus 1 by 40 equals 1 by 60. Therefore, B alone takes 60 minutes to fill the tank. Question number 20. Find the weighted mean of 40, 60, 32, 70, 26, with weights 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your options are A. 44.4, B. 44.2, C. 44.6, and D. 44.8. The correct answer is A. 44.4. Explanation. The weighted sum is 666, and the total sum of the weights is 15. Dividing 666 by 15 gives 44.4.